Hello, everybody. I am Eddie Luisi. I am the stage manager at Good Morning America. I have been here for 35 years. I've been in TV 40 years. I'm also a musician. I've been a musician for over 50 years. And I was blessed enough to write a song called Will We Learn, which I recorded in Nashville in August. And then we have this book out, Will We Learn? I just said my title is Will We Learn? Dorothy Eder inspired me to do the book. Initially, Will We Learn was a song that I wrote in 1993. And basically, it was 9 verses, 3 lines a verse, so 27 lines. There was no chorus, so it was almost like a poem. And when I went down to Nashville, I revamped it, only made 3 verses. I did a chorus, I did a bridge. But I said, the whole message, the 27 lines, needs to be out so people know about it. So I made a little video just like this on my Friends in the Spirit 111 site on Facebook and YouTube. And Dorothy saw it and loved it and said, we should do a book. I said, great, let's do a book together. Initially, we were both going to split the 27 lines and write reflections for each line of the song. But then I said, you know what, I'm part of this Friends in the Spirit 111 ministry, and I have a lot of friends that are very talented, spiritual, creative. And I said, and you through the years have a lot of religious friends also that are talented, creative, spiritual. I said, let's have them write. So we got 27 people to write a personal reflection on each verse of the song and each line. And it came out beautiful. And I believe I wrote the introduction and Dorothy wrote the conclusion. So we all put our 2 cents into the song. My advice to you guys is, and the chorus is, will we learn to live in peace? And will we learn to love one another? Will we learn to fill our neighbors' needs, to accept each other, to live in harmony? It's hard, and I get it. But we could try, and we can do it. We can love one another. We could be compassionate. We could be kind. We could give a person a smile, open the door, let somebody in front of us online or in the car, be nice and kind. So yes, we can live at peace. Try first to live at peace with yourself, within your own heart. And then after that, give it out to the world. I live in New York, so come to New York. Hey, look, I'm going to show the video. This is Times Square right here, New York City, Times Square. That's where Good Morning America is. So if you're ever in New York City, I worked for Good Morning America at Times Square. But basically, you can reach me on Facebook, Eddie Luisi, Luisi. I also have a ministry called Friends in the Spirit 111. And I do podcasts of Friends in the Spirit 111. And I also do Cue the Spirit with Eddie Luisi. So you could find me social media. Google me. If you Google search me, you'll find a lot of different videos and you'll see a lot of cool stuff. Thanks. God bless. Appreciate the opportunity.